The treadmill.
Whoa, 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 Keith, what are you doing? Rewind.
Welcome to Achimgari Valley. We're going for a hike in the water. We're going to go along the river. We've got quite a group and we're going to go hiking and then walk along the river. The reason I did this hike is we get to go in the river, crossing rivers. So I'm excited to do that. Hopefully my gear's safe, waterproof. So they're just trying some muckly. So follow along. I got my GoPro on waterproof settings, so hopefully audio works okay, and we'll see how it goes. Welcome to Living MLN Travel Channel. We just made it up the driveway. That was quite a trek. Now we're at the driveway. We're on top of the mountain, so we should start heading down to the river. I'm looking forward to getting into that river.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed?
Lunchtime.
Don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Oh my god. Oh, that's cold. Oh my god. That's freezing. That's like glacier. Oh my god.
stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, it makes me wonder.
The treadmill. Much fun. I got wet, almost had to swim. I got pushed away in the current. It's so hard to see the bottom of the floor. So now I have a stick. I don't have a pole. I'm going to use a stick for the next crossing. Hopefully I survive the next one. That was quite scary, but really fun. The water's so cold. I don't know how to guess what temperature it is, maybe 10 degrees, but everyone's having a great blast. Come to Korea, do this. I did not know this was in Korea. Come on, stick. Second crossing, nailed it. Even helped the other girl, so that's good. Beautiful day here in Achimgari. Hopefully I got it right this time. Beautiful day.
You know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm hands in the sun. It's already begun.
think it's getting colder. I thought I was used to it. Oh.
So you got the gist of what we were doing for 7-8 hours. One of the boys watchers said we did about 15 kilometers walking. It was so much fun. We did this tour with Climbing in Korea. They have a meetup group. They also have Instagram and Facebook. I'll put the links below. It was a great tour. It was free. We paid 10,000 won just to hold our spot. It was amazing. I totally recommend this tour, this area, Achimgari Valley. Give it a go.